what is it that is possible now with AI in developer relations, which was literally impossible before?
So this is a straight answer. Like even I'm trying to build something in this area, called go to market. I think earlier you have to work really hard to manage all these levers. Like say for example, you have to write up probably a sample, a draft for a hackathon or an event, or you have to work with logistics on like managing people, etc. And then like promoting onto social media, prepare content for it, and publish it. So right now that the productivity gains are huge. Like I wish I mean like I'm trying to build, but also like there are more and more people who stitch together all of these things really well, and then that helps the overall productivity gain in the developer relations. In fact, actually, it's very educatory and like very learning heavy role where we learn, we teach, and we learn from the developers, get feedback. We kind of like advocate internally of what is feature request, how why is this important, etc. So that's going to be the huge improvement. Just like any other place, like every experience, I think when you're doing coding, when you're doing like probably generating images, writing images, how that is going to be important. Similar way, I think like this is also going to be very important. Yeah.